Jollof rice. In many parts of West Africa, this dish is more than food. It is pride, identity, and even friendly national competition. Countries like Nigeria, Ghana, and Senegal all claim their version is the best. Jollof rice is made by cooking rice in a rich tomato sauce filled with onions, peppers, spices, and sometimes meat or fish. Its bright orange-red color instantly stands out on a plate. What makes it special is the smoky flavor created when the rice slightly burns at the bottom of the pot, something many fans secretly love. At weddings, birthdays, and huge celebrations, jollof rice is almost impossible to avoid. Some people even judge a party based on how good the jollof tastes. A surprising fact is that jollof wars on social media have caused endless debates between countries over who invented the best recipe. Yet despite the rivalry, the dish has united African culture across the world. And that is why people should care, because one rice dish became a symbol of national pride and cultural connection: biryani. Few rice dishes carry as much aroma and mystery as biryani. This famous dish traces its roots to the Indian subcontinent and was heavily influenced by Persian cooking traditions brought centuries ago by Mughal rulers. Biryani is layered with fragrant basmati rice, meat or vegetables, saffron, herbs, and powerful spices like cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves. When cooked properly, every grain stays separate while absorbing deep flavor. What makes biryani special is the cooking process called dum, where steam is trapped inside the pot to slowly blend all the flavors together. Opening the lid releases a cloud of aroma that people instantly recognize. Different cities have created their own versions, from spicy Hyderabadi biryani to milder Lucknowi styles. A surprising problem is that authentic biryani can take many hours to prepare correctly, and one mistake can ruin the texture completely. Yet millions still consider it worth the effort. Biryani matters because it represents history, migration, royal culture, and the emotional power of food shared during celebrations and family gatherings. Paella. On the eastern coast of Spain, especially around Valencia, paella became one of the country's most famous dishes. Traditionally, workers cooked it outdoors over open flames using whatever ingredients were available nearby. Paella is easy to recognize because of its wide, shallow pan and golden rice colored with saffron. Seafood, chicken, rabbit, beans, and vegetables are often mixed into the dish depending on the region. What makes paella unusual is the crispy layer of toasted rice at the bottom called socarrat. In Spain, many people believe this is actually the best part. Paella has become deeply tied to social gatherings, where families and friends eat together directly from the same pan. A surprising fact is that many tourists eat versions that locals consider completely inauthentic. Some chefs in Spain become angry when unnecessary ingredients are added. Yet despite these arguments, paella continues spreading worldwide. People should care because this dish shows how simple farm food transformed into an international cultural symbol. Sushi rice. When most people hear the word sushi, they think about raw fish. But in reality, the rice is the true heart of sushi. Sushi rice comes from Japan and is specially prepared with vinegar, sugar, and salt to create its signature glossy texture and slightly sweet taste. The rice is sticky enough to hold together but soft enough to melt in the mouth. What makes sushi rice fascinating is the level of precision involved. Japanese sushi chefs spend years learning how to cook and season rice properly before even touching expensive seafood. The balance must be exact. Too dry or too wet, and the entire sushi experience fails. Sushi became globally famous because of its clean appearance, artistic presentation, and connection to Japanese discipline and tradition. A surprising fact is that early forms of sushi were originally developed as a method of preserving fish inside fermented rice. Today, sushi rice represents elegance and craftsmanship. People should care because it proves that even the simplest ingredient can become an art form when treated with patience and skill. Risotto. In northern Italy, rice is transformed into something creamy and luxurious through a dish called risotto. Unlike fluffy rice dishes, risotto is stirred constantly while hot broth is slowly added little by little. This process releases starch from the rice and creates its famous smooth texture. It often includes ingredients like mushrooms, cheese, seafood, saffron, or vegetables. What makes risotto unique is that it is neither soup nor dry rice. It exists somewhere perfectly in between. Italian chefs often describe the ideal texture as flowing like lava. Risotto also reflects Italian cooking philosophy, where patience matters more than complexity. A surprising challenge is that risotto cannot be rushed. Turn away for too long, and the texture changes completely. Because of this, many restaurant kitchens treat risotto as one of the hardest rice dishes to perfect. People should care because risotto demonstrates how technique alone can completely change the personality of rice. Fried rice. Almost every culture has some version of fried rice, but the dish became especially famous in China centuries ago as a clever way to avoid wasting leftover rice. Cold rice is stir-fried at extremely high heat with eggs, vegetables, soy sauce, meat, or seafood. The grains become slightly smoky and separated rather than sticky. What makes fried rice special is its flexibility. Almost anything can be added, making it one of the most practical dishes in the world. Street vendors, home cooks, and luxury restaurants all prepare it differently. differently. In many Asian households, fried rice is comfort food connected to family and quick meals after long days. A surprising fact is that freshly cooked rice often performs badly in fried rice because it contains too much moisture. Day-old rice actually works better. Fried rice matters because it reflects resourcefulness, turning leftovers into something delicious rather than throwing food away. Pilaf. Long before modern rice dishes became global, pilaf was already spreading through the Middle East, Central Asia, and parts of Eastern Europe. The dish is made by cooking rice in seasoned broth along with spices, onions, and meat or vegetables. Unlike boiled rice, every grain absorbs flavor during cooking. Pilaf often looks rich and colorful because of ingredients like raisins, nuts, carrots, or lamb. What makes it special is that many ancient trade routes helped spread pilaf recipes across continents. Different regions slowly adapted it into their own cultural versions. In Uzbekistan, large gatherings often feature giant pots of pilaf cooked outdoors for hundreds of people. A surprising fact is that some historians believe pilaf influenced the development of dishes like paella and biryani through cultural exchange over centuries. People should care because pilaf reveals how food travels with migration, trade, and human history. Kimchi fried rice. In South Korea, leftover rice and fermented kimchi combine to create one of the country's most beloved comfort foods. Kimchi fried rice is bold, spicy, slightly sour, and packed with strong flavor. The bright red color comes from fermented chili paste and kimchi juice coating every grain of rice, often topped with a fried egg. The dish feels simple but incredibly satisfying. What makes it unusual is the fermentation process behind kimchi itself. Fermented vegetables create deep flavors that fresh ingredients cannot easily reproduce. This dish became popular because it allowed families to use aging kimchi before it spoiled too much. A surprising fact is that fermentation also introduces beneficial bacteria linked to gut health. However, the strong smell and spicy flavor can shock first-time eaters unfamiliar with Korean food. Still, kimchi fried rice has exploded in popularity worldwide thanks to Korean culture, dramas, and music. People should care because this dish represents how traditional preservation methods evolved into modern global food trends.